Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Well, today was a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. Started out at 3 degrees this morning, but this is what the sky has looked like all day. Clear as a bell. Batteries are at 40% this morning, and I was up to see when the sun hit the panels. They were at 105 volts. And it was charging like 2 amps or something. And my other chargers weren't doing anything yet. So the charging portion seems to work really well, which kind of surprised me. So, being that everything was up good, I thought I'd give her a run for her money. So, wife wanted to make some cookies. We got one of those 120 volt countertop oven things, so I says, let's use that. So I ran that for a couple hours. Plus the house was using a couple hundred watts, just whatever else was going. 1500 watts for that oven. I turned another heater on for 1500 watts. And then I turned another heater on for 1500 watts. So we had 4700 watts, which is, this is a 5000 water. And I thought, I'm going to see how it acts with an overload. Now my water pump is on this. So I turned the water on, and it uses about 1000 watts. So it put us at 5,750 some watts. And I stood here and watched, waited for it to come on, and it did. It went to the 5,750 some watts. And it was a few seconds, and it started beeping overload. And I thought, I'm just going to see what happens. And the water pump did its complete cycle, shut off, the overload cleared, everything continued on as normal. And when the batteries are all the way up, let's see. You can see the panels are at 106 volts. And what, it's charging a half an amp. So, I think everything's falling in place nicely. Everything continued on as normal. So, I'm pretty impressed with this. For the price of it, it really works good. The thing is going to be longevity. We're going to see how long she'll last. Just a quick update.